Friends, welcome to my channel, Curly Willow Acres. I'm Crane. So happy to have you here. Thank you for all the sweet comments. Thank you for all the prayers for my husband. No new news yet, except for that he cannot get the surgery. He's too high risk for the surgery, but they're still looking at other options. We have to get a more advanced scan and we'll go from there. But can you hear the birds outside? It's just a beautiful day here in Michigan. Anyway, this week I went to, well, it was actually a couple weeks ago for my birthday. My husband took me thrifting and antiquing because he knows that's my favorite thing to do. And we came across this store that was, well, you'll see it was a big mess. But that's kind of like, I love to be able to pick through stuff and go down to the bottom, see what kind of treasures I can find and stuff. And I did find some good treasures that day. Got a lot of cute stuff. So I will show you what I got after you see the stores I went to. The first one's a little, yeah, it's a mess, but it was fun picking through. I hope you're all having a great week, and let's get on to the Okay, wonder if you guessed what I got or not. But in the first store, I found all these adorable brass. Like I have a thing for these brass baskets lately. Sorry for the baby's breath, but that's for my garden. I love the detail on this. I love the patina. I love the scrolled handle. I was like, well, when I got to the counter, not everything had a price on it. That's the thing. And I didn't know she was willing to barter until I got up there. I would have grabbed a lot more. But she, like most of the things, she said, oh, I'll give that to you for $1. And I had like $4 or something on it. So that was exciting. It was a good birthday gift for me. And I picked up this swan for summer decor. It's ceramic. I thought he was so adorable. Look at all that texture. And I wasn't sure. I was thinking about soap, my dish brushes and sponge and stuff in it. but I decided to do something different when I got home. And also from that store, I got this cute little planter. I thought this was cute. I don't think it's an antique though. It has like a tag underneath, so it's not an antique, but it sure looks like it. And I just thought it was so adorable. I love cream colored planters in that. It just looked old fashioned to me. I love that. That and a milk glass planter I got from that store. Oh, and then a little gold brass frame too. She gave that to me for free. I thought that was so sweet of her. And then at the next store, I grabbed these because everything was 30% off in the booth. It was like an antique thrift store. I thought these were so beautiful. I love the frames and I love the flowers. So I got these, I think it was like $5 for the pair, which is a really good deal. Got the velvet on the back. I was excited about that. And I was excited about this broken basket, which probably no one else is going to think is any kind of treasure. I love the green on it because the green matches another vintage basket I have. Yes, it's broken all the way around, but I styled it cute, I think, still. I kind of like that. I got that for not very much either. And then this is my favorite find. I found this old rusty lantern. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure if it's old or not. It doesn't have a tag on it, so maybe it is. You see how rusty and crusty it is? And then I put some rub and buff on it when I got it home, because there's been one at Hobby Lobby that I've loved and wanted, but even at half price, it was out of my budget for right now. So when I found this, I got this for $5. I was excited, put a little rub and buff on it, and you'll see how I style that in just a minute. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna drink, my throat's getting sore, sorry. And I think that is it, except for I got another little brass basket too for like $1. It's smaller in my kitchen. If you see my kitchen pictures, you'll see it in there on my DIY brass rods that I made. And then I put new barn board shelves in my kitchen. If you haven't checked that out, I found some old barn boards back in the back of the barn, and I didn't realize I had enough to make new shelves with it. It has the peg, they have the pegboards and everything still in them, so I cleaned them all up, sanded them down, and I installed them last week. So anyway, I think that's it for my thrift haul. I will show you how I styled them now, and as always, thank you so much for everything. Please give me a thumbs up because that really helps spread the videos around, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you.